In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agentforce to create marketing email campaigns with Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your email marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through the key steps. First, you'll want to log into Salesforce and open the Agentforce application, assuming it's integrated with your organization. If you haven't done this before, don't worry, it's straightforward. Once you're in Salesforce, you should see the Agentforce app icon on your dashboard or under your apps section. Click to open it and you're ready to start crafting your campaign. Next, navigate to the Marketing tab or head over to the Campaigns section. This is where all your marketing initiatives are managed. It might be tempting to explore other areas, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand. Look for the section where it says Create Campaign or New Campaign and click on it. This action sets the stage for building your campaign. Here's where the details come into focus. Enter the basic campaign information such as the name, type, and start and end dates. Be as specific as possible here to keep your campaign organized. This step is critical because these parameters aid in tracking the campaign's performance later on. With the foundation laid out, it's time to add or import your target leads or contacts into the campaign. This can be done through your existing contact list within Salesforce, or you might choose to import a fresh list altogether. By ensuring you have the right audience, your campaign is already on the road to success. The next step involves selecting an email template, or if you're feeling creative, create a new one using the email editor. Templates can save you time while still delivering a professional look. Ensure that the design aligns with your brand and the goals of your email. Once your template is set, it's crucial to personalize your message. Use merge fields to make the emails feel tailored for each recipient and ensure that the branding elements align seamlessly with your overall marketing strategy. Personalization can significantly boost engagement rates. After reviewing and personalizing your message, you have two choices: send it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling can be advantageous if you want to target recipients in different time zones or align with specific campaign timings. Finally, once the campaign is sent or scheduled, it's not the end. Head over to Campaign Reports to track your results. Here you can monitor various metrics and gather insights to refine your strategies for future campaigns, ensuring that every subsequent campaign can be even more efficient and impactful. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating marketing email campaigns using Agentforce in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can enhance your marketing efforts, reach your target audience more effectively, and ultimately drive better business outcomes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy campaigning.